Once I asked my father how to make money, and his answer changed my life and my perspective forever. It made me chase my dreams. It made me find my dreams, what my dreams are. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I wanted to talk about what answer I have received from my father that changed my life forever. So let's dive into the video and see what my father said that literally changed my mindset and my perspective. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and for more business tips. Thank you. Let's dive into the video. Once I was going to a hospital. It was kinda almost 2 years ago. On my way to the hospital, I was in the car with my father and I asked him, how can I make money? I asked my father, I want to move to another country, I want to make money. How can I? His answer was, read books. It literally changed my life. Like, it literally changed my perspective. You're gonna say, oh, what is book? Like, how can it change my mind? Let me show you how. Do not read the books that have a delusional story in it. Oh my god, a boy and a girl fell in love or like something like this. No, it cannot benefit you. It cannot change your perspective and your life. No way. But what can change your mind and your perspective is read the books that are related to your skills. For example, I wanted to make money. I read books that are related to how to make money or financial books, motivational book. For example, if you want to become a guitarist, go read books about guitar. How can I become a good guitarist? Or what are the essentials? What are the important things that I need to know about guitar? So you're gonna find it in books. As me, the first book that I read was Rich Dad Poor Dad. It was a life changing. Like, let me say that it was literally a life changing. I will create another video about how it changed my mindset, how Rich Dad Poor Dad changed my perspective. What is it about? So I'm not gonna mention it here, but I will mention it in another video. So it literally changed my mind. Like, it literally changed my mind, my mindset. Look, reading books are gonna give you some ways that you cannot even get these ways on any platforms. You cannot get those informations on any platforms. You can just get it on books. For example, if you want to do a conference, do a seminar, how to talk to anyone, go read books. Like, it's gonna change your mindset. Like, it literally changed my perspective. I read books, I learned a lot of things about money, how to make money online. It was not like it was like the book was like for my skills, not like, for example, I want to make money and like going to there and buy books about story or delusional stuff. No, read the books that are related to your skills. What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to do? What is your dream? Well, just read the books and it's gonna give you the ways. Like, it's gonna give you the doors, which door is the best for you to open. Like, before that, I did not even know what to do. Like, I didn't even know where to start. Like, what are my dreams? No way. I didn't even know what are my dreams. I just wanted to make money. So I asked him my father, so he showed me the ways how to make money. Okay, the thing that I wanted is that I asked him how to make money, and he said go and read books. So I read the books that are related to making money. So it gave me some dreams, some perspectives that literally changed my life to like achieve my goals, to chase my dreams. So reading books will literally change your mindset. Thanks for watching. I wish this video could benefit you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.